My name is George Olaomi from the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, NAPTIP. And I'd like to thank Paradigm Initiative and Kingdom of Netherlands for this wonderful program, which is a STANCE project. It was very insightful because it shed a lot of light on the use of AI, deepfakes, and emerging trends in the digital world. It also enlightens us on the use of data protection and what we should and should not know when it comes to data privacy. It was very insightful because a good team of law enforcement officers, which was taken from the Nigerian Police Force, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, and the Department of State Service, was put together to actually collaborate and share valuable ideas on this initiative. Paradigm Initiative has been so wonderful because it made it a very conducive environment and very interactive sessions with a warm reception from the staff, from the entrance to the tea breaks to the conclusion. I really like to appreciate this, and I actually indulge that this can actually take place biannually, where other officers besides myself can actually also benefit from this wonderful initiative.